ilang linggo na natin silang sinusubaybayan.
Kailangan siya mag-sorry sa akin dahil wala akong ginagawa sa'yo.
Ang sa akin lang, you should not be bitter seeing other people happy.
Parang isang telenovela na naging totoong-totoo.
Nagagalit lang ako kay JC. Actually, kung hindi ako maunawaan ni Melissa, concern ako sa kanya.
Alright.
Kung gusto niya malaman kung bakit, tawagan niya ako.
Ngayon ay hinahanapan namin ng pagkakataon upang matapos ang gusot at issue.
Kung may nagawa ko sa kanyang kasalanan, humingi ako ng sorry.
Ngayon naman po kasama natin si Melissa. Kanina nakausap po ni sis si Camille. Napanood mo, Melissa, yung mga sinabi ni Camille kanina yung interview niya. Anong reaction mo? First, sa sinabi niyang may relasyon pa sila ni JC bago siya umalis papuntang Romblon. Tapos sa Romblon, doon namuo yung relationship niyo naman ni JC.
Yeah, that's correct.
Tapos nalaman niya sa iba.
Mhm.
Anong reaction mo doon?
When I went to Romblon and then I met JC there, I heard, I talked to JC and he told me everything about his past. He told me about all his girlfriends before. And I asked him about Camille, and then he told me that they had an affair. Yun ang sabi niya. But
An
he is
affair
not,
like...
they had an affair.
Okay.
But he's not considering it as a relationship.
So, hindi siya serious relationship.
Yeah.
Actually, ganun din naman na sinasabi ni Camille. Parang, it was not so serious din naman. Parang nga daw silang naglalaro.
It's more of a friendship to JC than an affair. So, up to now, he said, I asked him kasi, why are you denying it? If it's really true,
Kung nagkaroon naman talaga.
I mean, it's okay with me because
Tapos na yun.
that is past. And Camille is a thing of the past. So, I will just have to accept that, diba? Because I wasn't there pa naman, ganyan. Pero sabi niya, wala daw talaga. So, when I came into the picture, wala na sila. That's why, when Camille called up JC in Romblon, she was fuming mad. And JC was like, bakit?
Bakit ka nagagalit?
Kung kami man ni Melissa, ba't ka nagagalit? Yun lang ang sabi ni JC.
Well, kahit naman sinong tatao or babae, pag iniisip mo na may relasyon kayo, syempre, tapos malalaman mo may iba, parang magagalit ka talaga, di ba? Magagalit ka talaga. Understandable for her to react that way. If on her part, naiisip niya na sila talaga.
Na sila talaga, oo.
Pero sa part ni JC, ang sabi niya sa'yo ay,
wala. They're more like friends.
more like friends.
Oo. So, wala raw siya talagang dapat aminin. Yun ang sinasabi niya sa akin. Kasi, sabi ko sa kanya, wala namang mawawala kung sabihin mo Kasi, kawawa rin naman yung tao kung dinideny mo nga siya.
Oo,
magagalit
diba?
talaga siya. Pero he's insisting na talagang wala raw. He's not considering it as a relationship.
Okay, so, ano na naman masasabi mo sa sinabi kanina ni Camille na parang concerned din siya sa'yo?
Well,
Hindi naman ikaw ang kaaway niya. Hindi naman talaga siya galit sa'yo.
I really appreciate that very much. I appreciate it that she's concerned about me and about my feelings because as she just said a while ago, she knows that I had a lot of failed relationships. So if this time is gonna fail again, so parang she's gonna be hurt for me. And I would just like to tell you, Camille, that I really appreciate that. And I know that for whatever pain JC has caused you, on his behalf, I would like to apologize. I don't understand whatever it is that JC did to you, but I'm just so sorry that we allowed ourselves into this kind of squabble, and it's not doing us any good.
Katulad ng sinabi mo, hindi mo naintindihan kung ano talagang pinagdadaanan ngayon ni Camille. Sabi nga naman niya, syempre, since iba yung katayuan mo, iba yung position mo ngayon, mahirap talaga maintindihan kung ano yung pinagdadaanan niya.
Oo, but as a woman who also has been in love
And
you know,
hurt.
and hurt, I understand her feelings. And yun na nga, on behalf of JC, I'm apologizing for whatever pain that he has caused her.
So, Melissa, would you be willing? I mean, she's in the other studio. Would you be willing to meet with her?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah, I'm very willing. Because as I've said, no, the very first time I've met her, I really found her to be a very nice person. And, you know, I was like amazed when she danced and she sang. Sabi ko, ang galing-galing niya. And actually, I have friends right now who are producing concerts, who are producing shows, and I was telling them, uy, kuhanin niyo si Camille Rojas kasi mahusay siya. Saka si Katrina Paula, ganyan.
So like you said, you'd be willing. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Camille.
Hello. Hi. Ayan
Finally.
naman. Finally.
Pagkatapos ng napakatagal na gulo, we're here face to face.
Actually.
Nakakayak
Wala,
daw.
speechless.
Ngayon lang kayo nagkita since nagsimula itong gulong to.
Ano na-feel yung ngayon? Kasi diba, it's very, kumbaga it's very brave of both of you because this is not easy. Unang-una, pareho kayo nasaktan, pareho kayo nagkapalitan. Kahit papano ng salitaring hindi magaganda, whether intentionally, unintentionally, may ganon. And you know, it's brave of both of you to finally come to terms na, tapusin na natin ito. Sige na.
Oo, kasi wala namang dahilan para patagalin pa to, para mag-away kami. Kumbaga, nasaktan siya, nasaktan ako. Ngayon, happy na ako. So, I know you'll be happy for me.
I am, kaya lang kasi, siguro na-misinterpret mo lang ako. Gusto ko lang kasi sa yung i-feel mo yung concern ko. Kasi, I've heard a lot of negative stories about you, diba? So, sabi ko nga, kagaya ng sinabi mo, nagbabago ang tao. Kaya lang kasi, yung hindi mo ko maintindihan kung bakit ang galit ko kay JC ganun. Dahil ayokong gawin niya sa'yo, di bali ng non-showbiz, di bali ng hindi ko kilala kung nasa showbiz. Kasi kahit papano, di ba, naging close naman, kahit yung 2 times or 3 times lang tayo nagkausap, di ba? Or, okay, 1 time. Parang alam mo ba yung taong, kahit isang beses mo pala nakausap, close na sa'yo, yung magaan ng loob. Tapos malalaman ko na ganun na siya, like, you and him, di ba? Kahit ayokong isipin, baka gawin niya yung mga bagay na nangyari sa iba at sa akin. So, yung concern ko, ganun na lang. Kaya syempre, nako-cover yun ng love mo, di ba?
I understand what you feel. Of course, I'm not being blinded by love. Because I can really feel how much JC loves me. In fact, on air, he proposed marriage to me, right? And on air, he said how much he really loves me. So, with regards to that, I am confident enough to say that I know what I'm doing and I know what I'm getting myself into. So, with regards to your concern, I really appreciate it very much. But if you really care for me, Camille, since we have the same manager, and now you're seeing me happy, please be happy for me.
I'm happy
and
for you, actually.
I'm praying that, you know, God will also grant you a man, the right man who's going to love you with all sincerity, a man who's going to marry you because I believe that you're such a nice person.
Thank you. Sana lang huwag kang magagalit sa akin kung hindi ko pa pinapatawad si JC. hindi ko siya muna mapapatawad from now hanggat hindi ko nakikitang ikaw ilalagay ka niya sa altar. Pero tayong dalawa, wala naman tayong problema kung tutusin. Pero siya, hindi ko pa rin maaalis yun. So, don't get angry. Or kung magkita man tayo magkasama kayong dalawa, kung ikaw lang ang babatiin ko, hindi ko siya batiin, huwag ka magagalit sa akin. Kasi hanggat hindi ko talaga nakikita, kahit alam
Camille,
kong mahal
that's
ka niya.
a long way from now, no?
I know.
Because our plan is to get married next year by June, and it's going to take a lot of planning before we get to settle down. But things happen, so maybe in the end, it's not gonna be JC and myself. Maybe in the end, we will find out that, you know, it's not really meant to be, because there's no permanency in this world. But as much as possible, we would like to make things work for us. We would like to be able to be strong for one another, to be able to surpass, to be able to endure whatever struggles, whatever hardships, whatever pain that we may encounter in this relationship. But if in the end it's not gonna be us, I will have to stand up again. And I want you to be there for me when I stand up. Okay? Now, yung tungkol sa forgiveness, I understand nga how you feel about the situation, about JC. But as a friend, as a Christian, if you have unforgiveness in your heart, you're not doing yourself a favor eh. Kasi once you release that hatred, that you release that yung galit mo sa tao, you're doing yourself a favor, not that person a favor. Because bitterness, parang tinik yan sa dibdib natin eh. So kung yan, itapon mo na yan, sige, patawad na lang tayo. Kalimutan na natin lahat. Nagkasakitan tayo. Kung nagsusorry na sa'yo si JC sa sakit na binigay niya sa'yo, please, forgive him.
Hindi ako madaling magpatawad talaga ng tao.
Camille, syempre hindi ka naman magagalit ng ganyan kung hindi ka nagkaroon ng love for JC.
Hindi. Nagagalit ako talaga kasi...
Ba't ka ba nasasaktan talaga?
I'll explain it to her. Hindi sa on-air.
Okay.
Kung bakit.
Oo, kumbaga sa pangkanila.
Pang-kanila, pang-secret.
Pang-sa amin na lang talaga. May reason talaga ako na kinatatakutan ko. Kagaya na sinabi niya, at the end, baka hindi sila, di ba? Baka hindi sila magpakasal. Ang pangit eh. Kasi, bakit kailangan kang bumitaw sa inyo? I mean, pagkatapos mong pangako, hindi lang naman ilang tao nakakaalam.
Hindi
diba?
naman siguro siya yung bibitaw. Anong malay mo kung ako yung bibitaw?
Hindi mo nga kasi masyado hindi, alam ko hindi ka bibitaw kasi you really love him.
I really love him, but I am intelligent enough
Yung
to know as to when is enough is enough. You understand?
Hindi, minsan kasi di ba nako-cover ng love yung
But
lahat ng
I know,
sacrifices, di ba? Na yung mga pain, kahit na binubugbog ka na,
I'm
kasi
not like
mahal
that.
na mahal mo pa.
Oo, alam mo,
I'm
hindi
not
mo
like
masasabi
that.
kay Lisa Camille.
I'm not
Kilala ko
like
yan.
that. I am a fighter, I'm a
Kanya yan.
survivor, and I am intelligent enough to know
Ikaw
as to
nagsabi,
when
di ba,
to stop.
tao nagbabago. So yung love din, minsan nako-cover talaga. Malay mo, iba na talaga yung love mo sa kanya. Kaya pwedeng ma-cover yung kahit na hurt ka na.
Maraming nagbabago, lalo na right now, meron na akong, you know, the virtue of
But you know what,
patience.
ang pinakamaganda
Meron na ako
ngayon,
nun.
ang pinaka-importante ngayon, the two of you are okay. Hindi po gimmick ito.
Oo, hindi talaga to gimmick.
Totoo po
na.
ito.
Totoo po ito.
Totoo po
Hindi, at
ito.
saka, ito lang ang patunay. That time will really heal all wounds, di ba?
Eventually-
And for both of you, because of your willingness to
To make things okay.
To put things
maayos,
behind.
oo, na maayos ang lahat.
And let's
maayos
move
din
on with our lives, sis.
Oo. O, talaga sila naging sis.
Oo, di ba?
Dahil kayo'y nasa sis, kayo'y
Oo,
naging
sis
sis.
talaga.
Oo. So,
Ang ganda-ganda ni Camille. Nako, ang daming lalaking mahabol dito, no?
Kaya lang babae ang gusto ko, yun na
habang-
lalaki.
Habang kayong dalawa ay nagbabanding at medyo
magbanding kayong dalawa
banding
ngayon.
muna kayo. Kami po, magbabanding din kami ni Jelly. Magbabalik pa po ang sis.
Always on.